The recent allegations made by former Member of Parliament and current President of the Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee, Vincent H Pala, against Meghalaya's Deputy Chief Minister Sniawbhalang Dhar on his involvement in the drug trade have stirred significant controversy. The minister in charge of the Department of Revenue and Disaster Management, Kyrmen Shylla, expressed a balanced stance on the issue, suggesting that while such serious allegations must be investigated, it is crucial to base them on concrete evidence. He emphasized that if the accusations are proven, appropriate actions, including Dhar's removal from office and even banishment from the state, should follow. However, Shylla also cautioned against making unsubstantiated claims, particularly in matters as grave as drug trade involvement. This statement reflects a call for due process and fairness in addressing the allegations.
Such allegation against to any honorable member, either in the opposition or in the ruling, I feel this is really is not correct. But still, I believe those people who give this who say all these things that against any honorable member or even the public, I believe they have a proof. Otherwise, such things we sometimes do feel is just like a joke talking in the market that he's dealing drugs without any proof. That is something until unless we have any proof against anybody. Drug is something. You talk about coal, you talk about liquor, you talk about anything. Sometimes we do have that feelings. But drug is something like, which is, we can't even think it in our dreams that I will say something against somebody who's not even taking drugs. That is completely a false. Whether it's a false or correct allegation, I don't know it. But I believe that those honorable member or even the public, they have full proof against the Deputy CM, which we have seen directly, we can say, Meghalaya Dhar, the allegation against him. But still, I don't know who's right, who's wrong, but I believe justice will be given to the public. And if he is really involved, then he should be thrown away from not only from the cabinet, I believe that even the state as a whole also, he has no rights, because we believe that drugs should not be entertained in our state. So not only him, anybody. But for that, I think a strong message has to be sent to anybody who are involved that no drugs in Meghalaya. Sir? Yeah, we are waiting for that. Let him right. I believe that what he says is correct. According to him, what he says is correct. Otherwise, if it is false allegation, then I believe even the court should take action against those people. The court should not be just waiting for somebody to give any false allegation on somebody and then take action without, proper proof. So here I believe that whichever the court will give justice to those, either the culprit he has to get.